Most web pages do or should have images on them, right? So when you load the web page or the home page of somebody's website, you'll see pictures. Well, those pictures take time to load, right? And that can slow down the speed of your page quite a bit. But what you can do is you can compress those images. So I want to show you here first Google Page Speed Insights, and this is developers.google.com/speed/page speed/insights, but you can just Google Page Speed Insights and it'll come up. And you just enter your web address and it's going to analyze the site and it's going to tell you all of the problems it finds with your site. We're just going to focus on the images right now because one of the most common things it finds are images that are too large. So I want to focus on the desktop experience right now. And you'll see under should fix, it says optimize images. Now if you click on show how to fix, it'll say that you could reduce these all of your images by 17%. And if you scroll down along the right column there, it'll tell you, I mean, some of them 94% reduction that could be made if you were to compress these images. So I want to show you a plugin here that will compress all of your images at once. Make it really easy for you so you don't have to do each one separately. So you click add new. You guys know the drill. So type in smush. Yes, smush. S-M-U-S-H, and it'll come up WP smush it. I've already installed it. You can see it's got a little vice in the picture. You remember vices from your tech ed class? Shop, if you're older than 35. So you'll see WP smush it. And you're going to click on media. Well, not click on media, but go over to media and you'll see a new option. It says bulk smush it. And it'll tell you how many images you have in your media library. 659. It's going to take a while to do this. It says at least 32 minutes. I have a feeling it's going to be longer. And you just click run all my images through WP smush it. Now I went ahead and skipped forward and just paused it while I waited for this thing to, this is like 4 hours later. It's done like 1/3 of the 600 pictures. It's now past midnight. I'm playing hearts. But I want to show you just by reducing like 1/3 of the size of the pictures on your site, what happens to your score in page speed insights here. So I'm going to enter the same website. And remember, my score was a 55 in the desktop experience, and there was maybe 15 or so images that needed to be compressed by a lot. If I click on desktop now, I have an 81 instead of 55 just from doing 1/3 of the images. So the list is now a little bit smaller. Maybe there's about, I don't know, let's say 10 now instead of 15. So it's compressed a lot of the images that Google didn't think it was a problem. But when I'm finished the entire 649 images, the 81 should be even higher. And then there shouldn't be anything in the list of optimized images. These are big improvements. Some of them are smaller now by 50, 60%. But this is a really easy way to improve the page speed of your website. Smush It is the name of the plugin, smush.it. Just one last note here. Once you've compressed all of your images with the Smush It plugin, you want to delete it. It can actually slow your site down if you keep it on there. Now, if in the future you've uploaded a number of new images and you run your test through PageSpeed Insights or on webpagetest.org and you feel like your site has slowed down a little bit, then download the plugin again, run it again, compress your images, maybe it'll find some new ones on there that could be a little bit smaller, and then delete it again. But it's not a plugin you want to keep once you're done with it.